Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a full update. Wanted to start off with some fundamentals. We'll talk about the technicals, and then I'll kind of blend in some other fundamentals as well, basically to try to give you a good understanding of what's going on with Ondo right now. All right, so I would say let's get right into it. Like I said, hope you're all having a great weekend. The markets in general could have been better, and Ondo has been holding on nicely, but a lot of altcoins are actually not doing great. And there's definitely like these pockets where coins are performing relatively well, but Ondo is not one of them, even though fundamentally I'm quite bullish on Ondo. I mean, if you still remember my last video, what we talked about is Ondo's announcement of actually building some sort of a platform for equities, all right? So stocks, commodities, etc. And I think that's extremely bullish. Ondo being one of the only projects with an actual, albeit indirect tie with BlackRock, and BlackRock talking about this very, very often, all right? If there's one party that's talking about tokenizing assets, it's BlackRock. It's obviously multiple parties, but they're pretty big on it. And then Ondo also starting to build this platform while they already have ties with the BlackRock build fund is extremely bullish. All right, and that's also, I would say, why we actually saw the TVL increase. I mean, the TVL for Ondo from the bottoms we made the 17th of January until today is up like $110 million. It's at all-time highs, I believe, as well. So fundamentally, that way, Ondo is doing great. Like I said, with the announcement of their equities platform and protocol, I think that's great as well. Short term, though, like I said, the market is not amazing. The Bitcoin dominance is still very high. To me, it still seems most likely that Bitcoin is going to get some sort of a move down into 93 and 92,000. And look, I mean, even the strongest coins with a bearish Bitcoin and a bullish, or at least high Bitcoin dominance, even the most bullish coins, which I think Ondo does belong to, will pull back. All right. So what you see right now for Ondo is that we are at the POC. The point of control is around 1.34, and there's also in general a strong support level here between 1.25 and 1.3. At this point of time, I'd say that it is most likely that we will be able to hold this support level here, and maybe we'll drop down to the value area low around 1.25, but ultimately I'd say it is still most likely that we'll be able to hold this level, consolidate between 1.5 and 1.25, and then eventually, if we actually do get some more bullish momentum for altcoins, eventually I also still think it's most likely we can get a bullish breakout. Now, that bullish breakout, I would not necessarily bet on that. I mean, there are some indications that altcoins are not going to perform well for some time. So that's not something I would necessarily bet on. But for now, I do think fundamentally Ondo is strong enough to hold this level, even if Bitcoin drops down into 93 and 92,000. It depends slightly on the Bitcoin dominance. If the Bitcoin dominance breaks out above this double top and starts rallying again, then I was wrong, and then Ondo will drop down into this level between 1.15 and 1.05, maybe even down to $1. But even, I mean, it's just, look, for Ondo, for me, it's most likely we will stay neutral here. We will stay stable. Now, the big question is all right, well, the main resistance level is clear. It's around 1.5. What is the main support level, all right? Is it 1.25 or is it 1.05 down here? And for now, I would still say it's most likely, due to the strength we've seen, that it's this level around 1.25, 1.3. But like I said, depending on certain market circumstances, it is possible that we'll drop down lower. So if that happens, I'll try to let you know as soon as I can. For now, I'd still say this is most likely. And then eventually, like I said, but I'll keep you updated on that as well, we can break out and rally back up to 1.75 and 1.8. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now regarding Ondo. Like I said, I will try my best to actually keep you updated on this. So if you have any questions right now, join the Telegram, join the Discord, and hopefully we can talk in there. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.